Hello everyone. Today I am sending the videos on the activity 3 and 4 which is based on the relation and function. Basically it is based on one function, on two function and many one function. Before sending the videos on the activity 3 and activity 4, first we should know what is the one function, on two function and many one function. So first we should know what is the one function. One function. One function. A function f from a to b is said to be one if distinct element of set A have distinct images in set B. A function f from a to b is said to be a one if distinct element of set A have distinct images in set B. Let A and B are the two sets in which there are the some element. Let 1, 2, 3, 4 be the element of set A and A, B, C, D be the element of set B. If a function is defined f from A to B and the image of 1 is A, image of 2 is B and image of 3 is C and image of 4 is D, which is distinct image of the set A have the distinct image in set B. Then this type of the function is known as the one function, or this type of the mapping is known as the one function. Now many one function. A function f from a to b is said to be many one if two or more element of set A have the same image in set B, then this type function is known as many one function. We can understand by an example. Let A be the set in which the 1, 2, 3, 4 is the element, and set B in which the A, B, C is given, and function is defined by f, and the image of 1 and 2 have the same image A, and the image of 3 is B, image of 4 is C. We are seeing that the 1 and 2 have the same image in set B. Therefore this function is known as the many one function. Next is onto function. onto function. A function f from a to b is said to be onto if each element of b have if each element of b have the if each element of b have the pre-image in set A, it means there is no element in B which is not image of any element of set A. We can understand with example. Let there are the two set A and B in which 1, 2, 3, 4 and A, B, C are the element in set B. Let the image of 1 is A and image of 2 is B and image of 3 and 4 have the same image. So since there is no element which is left in set B which have no pre-image in set A, therefore this is the onto function. We can say in other word कि each element of set A have the image in set B and each element of set B have the pre-image in set A. मतलब A का इमेज B में मिलना चाहिए और B का प्री इमेज B के एलिमेंट का इमेज प्री इमेज सेट A में मिलना चाहिए. This then that type of the function is known as the onto function. So this is the all about the one, many one and onto function which is used in activity 3 and 4. Try to understand by using this concept of one, many one and onto function and solve the activity 3 and 4. Hello everyone. Today I am sending the activity number 3 which is based on the relation and function. Objective: to demonstrate a function which is not 1 but is onto. And material required: cardboard, color paper, string, adhesive, scissors, etc. Method of construction: first point is paste a color paper strip on the cardboard and make 3 dots, name them as 1, 2 and 3. And second point is paste another color paper strips and make 2 dots and name as 1 as A and B. And third point is join the dots on the left side to the right side using the wool or string. Next point is demonstration. Take the set X in which the 1, 2, 3 are belonging and the set Y in which the A and B are the belonging. Join the element of X to the element of Y as shown in the figure number 3. So this is the set X in which the 3 elements 1, 2, 3 are here and this is the set Y in which the 2 elements A and B are here and their mapping is shown here. The element of set X have the image in set Y since we are seeing that the image of 2 and 3 are the same image B in set Y, therefore this function is known as the many one function. It means this is not the one function. And since each element of set X have the image set in Y, and each element of set Y have the pre-image in set X, therefore this function is also known as the onto function. It means this mapping is many one onto. This mapping or this function is many one onto function, or we can say this is not one but it is onto. And observation is the image of the element 1 of X in Y, we can understand from the mapping in Y is A, and the image of the element of 2 of X in Y is B. The image of the element 3 of X in Y is B. So the figure 3 represents a many one function. We can understand from the mapping of the set. Now next point, every element in X do not have a unique image in Y, so the function is not one. And third point is the pre-image of each element of Y in X exists, that is the function is onto. And next point is conclusion, function is not one but is onto. From mapping it is clear that a function is not one but is onto. And application of this function, this activity is useful to understand the concept of one and onto function. So this is all about the concept of the function which is not one but is onto. Everyone, this is the activity number 4, which is also based on the topic relation and function. Objective: to demonstrate a function which is one but not onto. Material required: cardboard, color papers, strings, adhesive, scissors, etc. Method of construction: paste a color paper, strip on the cardboard and make 2 dots, name them as A and B. And next point is paste another color paper, strips and make the 3 dots, name as 1, 2 and 3. And third point is join the dots on the left side to right side with the help of a string, whose demonstration is shown here. Let X and Y be the two sets. A and B are the element which is belonging to set X, and 1, 2, 3 are the element which is belonging to set Y, whose mapping are shown here. Since we are seeing that the distinct element of the set X have the distinct image in set Y, therefore we can say that this mapping is one mapping, or this is the one function. And since element 3 of the set Y have no pre-image in X, so then you can say that this is not the onto function. It means that this is the one but not onto function. The demonstration of this mapping is also described in the observation. The image of this element A of X in Y is 1. The image of the element B of X in Y is 2. So the figure 3 represents a 1 1 function. Second point is every element in X has a unique image in Y. The function is 1 1. We can understand from the mapping of the function from figure number 3. The pre-image of the element 3 of Y in X does not exist. That is, the function is not onto. Thus figure 3 represents a function which is 1 1 but not onto, and the result function is 1 1 but not onto. And application of this activity can be used to demonstrate the concept of 1 1 but not onto function. So this is the all about the activity number 4, in which the function is 1 1 but not onto.